Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Nostal Garden. Ever killed a houseplant because your home lacks sunlight? You're not alone. Today we're exploring incredible indoor plants that actually prefer low light and forgive beginner mistakes. Whether you live in a basement apartment or just have north-facing windows, these green companions will transform your space without demanding perfect conditions. Let's dive in. Meet the snake plant, your ultimate low-maintenance companion. This architectural beauty thrives on neglect, making it perfect for busy beginners. It tolerates extremely low light conditions and only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks. The striking upright leaves add modern elegance to any corner while quietly purifying your indoor air. Whether you forget to water it or place it in a dim hallway, this resilient plant continues to grow strong, proving that sometimes less care truly means more success. The ZZ plant is practically indestructible, earning its reputation as the perfect starter plant. Its glossy, waxy leaves reflect whatever light is available, making it shine even in the darkest corners of your home. This slow-growing beauty stores water in its thick rhizomes, allowing it to survive weeks without attention. Simply place it anywhere, water sparingly once a month, and watch it thrive. For beginners worried about killing their first plant, the ZZ plant offers confidence and guaranteed success. Golden pothos, often called devil's ivy, grows enthusiastically in almost any lighting condition. This trailing vine forgives forgotten waterings and adapts quickly to your home environment. The heart-shaped leaves cascade beautifully from shelves and hanging baskets, creating instant visual appeal. Pothos actually prefers to dry out between waterings, making overwatering nearly impossible. As one of the fastest-growing houseplants, you'll witness visible progress weekly, providing that satisfying sense of accomplishment every plant parent craves when starting their indoor garden journey. The peace lily combines beauty with ease, producing elegant, white blooms even in low-light spaces. This graceful plant actually tells you when it needs water by drooping slightly, then perks up within hours after drinking. It thrives in bathrooms and offices where natural light is limited, continuously filtering airborne toxins. Unlike many flowering plants, peace lilies bloom reliably indoors without complicated care routines. Simply keep the soil lightly moist, provide moderate humidity, and enjoy those stunning white spats appearing throughout the year. Chinese evergreens bring color to shady spots with their striking variegated foliage in shades of green, pink, red, and silver. These compact plants tolerate low light better than most colorful varieties, maintaining their vibrant patterns without direct sun. They grow slowly and steadily, requiring minimal attention beyond occasional watering when the soil feels dry. The thick stems and lush leaves create a tropical atmosphere even in apartments with limited windows. For beginners seeking both beauty and simplicity, Chinese evergreens deliver impressive results with minimal effort. Parlor Palm brings tropical elegance to small spaces without demanding bright light or constant attention. This compact palm has graced indoor environments since Victorian times, adapting perfectly to average home conditions. It grows slowly and stays manageable, rarely exceeding 4 feet indoors. The feathery fronds add movement and texture to any corner, creating a resort-like atmosphere even in apartments. Water when the top inch of soil dries, provide occasional humidity, and this elegant palm rewards you with years of lush, low-maintenance beauty. The bird's nest fern captivates with its unique rosette of glossy, wavy fronds emerging from a central crown. Unlike many ferns, this variety tolerates lower light and drier air, making it more forgiving for beginners. The bright green, strap-like leaves unfurl slowly, creating a sculptural focal point on shelves or tables. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and avoid watering directly into the central crown. This tropical beauty brings rainforest vibes indoors without the complicated care requirements of more temperamental fern species. Spider plants rank among the most adaptable houseplants, thriving in various light conditions from bright indirect to relatively low. The arching, striped leaves create a fountain-like effect, especially stunning in hanging baskets. This generous plant produces baby plantlets on long stems, offering endless propagation opportunities for expanding your collection or sharing with friends. It tolerates occasional neglect and irregular watering, bouncing back quickly from dry spells. For beginners wanting fast growth and easy propagation success, spider plants deliver satisfaction and confidence-building results. The Heartleaf Philodendron grows vigorously in low light, trailing gracefully from shelves or climbing up supports with minimal care. Its glossy, heart-shaped leaves emerge bronze before maturing to deep green, adding dynamic visual interest. This forgiving plant tolerates erratic watering and average indoor humidity, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. The vines grow several inches per week during growing season, providing that instant gratification beginners love. Simply water when dry, occasionally wipe the leaves clean, and enjoy watching this enthusiastic grower transform your space. Monstera deliciosa, the iconic Swiss cheese plant, brings trendy jungle vibes to your indoor space. While it appreciates bright indirect light, it adapts surprisingly well to medium and lower light conditions, though growth slows somewhat. The dramatic split leaves develop as the plant matures, creating that signature tropical aesthetic. Water when the top 2 inches of soil dry completely, and provide a moss pole for support as it grows. This statement plant requires patience, but rewards you with impressive size and those Instagram-worthy fenestrations over time. Dracaena varieties offer incredible diversity, from the tall corn plant to the spiky dragon tree, all tolerating low light beautifully. These architectural plants require minimal watering, preferring to dry out between drinks. Their striped or solid foliage adds vertical interest and comes in various colors from deep green to burgundy. Dracaenas grow slowly and steadily, rarely demanding repotting or special attention. They filter indoor air pollutants effectively while maintaining their striking appearance. Choose any Dracaena variety and enjoy years of low-maintenance elegance in even the dimmest corners. The rubber tree makes a bold statement with its large, glossy leaves in shades of deep green or burgundy. While it prefers bright indirect light, modern cultivars adapt well to medium-low light conditions with slower growth. The thick, sturdy trunk and substantial leaves create an immediate focal point in any room. Water when the top inch of soil dries, occasionally wiping those magnificent leaves to maintain their shine. This tree-like plant rewards minimal effort with impressive presence, growing steadily into a stunning indoor specimen over the years. Peperomias pack maximum charm into compact sizes, perfect for small spaces and tabletops. These diverse plants feature varied leaf textures and patterns, from rippled watermelon types to glossy jade varieties. They thrive in medium to low light conditions and prefer drying out between waterings, making them nearly impossible to overwater. Their slow, steady growth means they stay manageable without constant pruning. These beginner-friendly plants forgive mistakes while providing endless variety, allowing you to collect multiple types without overwhelming your space or maintenance schedule. English ivy adapts remarkably well to indoor conditions, trailing elegantly from baskets or climbing up small trellises. This versatile plant tolerates various light levels, including lower indirect light, though it prefers some brightness. The classic lobed leaves come in solid green or variegated patterns, adding timeless elegance to any decor style. Keep soil lightly moist and provide occasional humidity for best results. Ivy grows enthusiastically once established, creating lush cascades or green walls. For beginners wanting traditional beauty with forgiving care requirements, English ivy delivers reliably. The money tree combines symbolic good fortune with practical easy care, featuring a distinctive braided trunk and glossy palmate leaves. It tolerates a wide range of light conditions from bright indirect to medium-low, adapting to your available space. Water thoroughly when the top 2 inches of soil dry, allowing excellent drainage. This tree maintains a manageable size indoors while providing substantial visual presence. The unique braided trunk and umbrella-like leaf clusters create architectural interest, making it both a conversation piece and a low-maintenance addition to your indoor garden. Prayer plants and calatheas mesmerize with their intricate leaf patterns and unique behavior, folding leaves upward each evening like praying hands. Modern hybrids have become more beginner-friendly, tolerating lower light and average humidity better than earlier varieties. The stunning foliage displays stripes, spots, and vibrant colors in shades of green, purple, and pink, keep soil lightly moist, and provide occasional misting for happiest plants. While slightly more demanding than some options, these beauties reward attentive beginners with living art that literally moves throughout the day. Arrowhead vines offer versatility, growing bushy when young, then trailing or climbing as they mature. The arrow-shaped leaves come in various colors from deep green to pink and white variegation, all tolerating low to medium light conditions. This forgiving plant accepts irregular watering and average indoor conditions without complaint. It grows at a moderate pace, allowing you to shape it as desired through simple pruning. For beginners wanting a plant that evolves and adapts alongside their growing skills, Arrowhead vines provide engaging, low-stress companionship. There you have it, beginner-friendly plants that prove you don't need bright light or expert skills to grow a thriving indoor garden. From the indestructible snake plant to the elegant peace lily, each option offers low-maintenance beauty for your home. Which plant are you most excited to try? Drop your favorites in the comments below, smash that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to No Style Garden for more plant care tips. Happy growing, everyone!